Hi guys, Lens here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can use your Samsung Galaxy device without touching the screen. You will need a OTG cable, something like this, and you will need it to plug this in right here. When you plug it in right here, you will then need a USB mouse, and then you want to plug your USB mouse here. And if you can see that the mouse is now on, it's on the screen, so we can actually use this with our phone. Your phone, of course, has to have the OTG capability feature in order to do this. So I am actually using my phone here. I'm also using the scroll everything. I can pull this down and I could click here. This is cool, right? I'm gonna just increase the brightness, bring this down, carry the brightness a bit up so we can see better on the screen. And I am going to update this app, which is Mapjo. So let me go ahead and update this app. So this is a very cool thing to do, guys. You can use your Samsung Galaxy device with a mouse or keyboard. And we are currently installing the updated version of Mapjo. Done. So this is a very cool feature. I know that a lot of persons are not aware of it, but you can purchase one of these OTG cable, attach this to a mouse, and then you can use your device with a mouse if you so desire. So if you have a cracked screen or your screen is not touching for some reason, you can use this by attaching a mouse to the device. You can also do this for tablet. There are other OTG compatible devices that you can do this trick with. So I hope that this was helpful, and if this was helpful to you, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for my latest videos, and also drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what's happening. I'm Lens, and I'm out.